Hi viewers, welcome to the world of leaf inspired decorations. Today we will explore a variety of imaginative ideas for bringing the beauty of nature into your decor. Whether you are planning a special event or looking to spruce up your living space, leaves can be a versatile and eco-friendly choices. One of the simplest and most elegant ways to decorate with leaves is by creating leafy centerpiece. Gather a variety of leaves, place them in a clear vase or a bowl, and complement them with candles, flowers, and other decorative elements for a stunning table centerpiece. Add a touch of rustic charm to your space with a leaf garland. Collect leaves of similar shapes and sizes and then thread them onto twice or a string. Hang your garland along a mantel, staircase, or as well decor for a nature inspired focal point. Preserve the intricate details of leaves by pressing them between the pages of a heavy look. Once dried, frame these pressed leaves to create elegant and timeless wall art that celebrates the beauty of nature. Transform ordinary glass candles or holders into leaf wonders. Simply glue leaves onto the exterior of the holders, allowing the candles glow to illuminating the delicate leaf patterns, creating a charm and inviting atmosphere. For special occasions, consider using leaves as place cards, write names and messages on large, sturdy leaves and place them up to each plate, adding a personal touch to your table setting. Protect your surface in style by crafting leaf coasters. Press leaves between two pieces of clear adhesive paper. Cut it sizes and voila, you have charming leaf themed coasters that guests will adore. Incorporating leaves into your decor is not just about aesthetics, it's a celebration of the nature world around us. These leafy decoration ideas are just the beginning, so gather your leaves, get creative, and infuse your